Hi everyone, welcome back to my Python tutorial. I'm here with my son Matthew again.
Hello again.
Hello. So Matthew's been following our videos and diligently working on his own program, which is as we all know by now, the Big President program. So Matthew, what have you learned and how did you update your program?
So what I did, I just defined my program.
Okay.
So I defined it, and then down here I call the function. So I could go into a different program and call this function, and if I needed to know a certain president, and I would just call it, and I'd have it.
Okay.
I'll have this program.
So that's good. Yeah, you call the president function so that you wouldn't have to keep rewriting the code. Good.
Yes.
That's the idea.
So I also added a while true, which is a while loop. It took this whole entire program, and every single time that you finish this if you say no, or it gives you the history of the president. After that, it just repeats.
Okay, so it's a continuous loop.
So I was looking at that. I was thinking, how would I exit this? So I looked at your video about games, and I saw the import sys or system,
right? And
I put over here the code to exit the program.
Right.
So if you say quit, it completely exits. So I also last thing that I added was this try.
That was really cool.
Yes.
I like that. Yeah.
So if you add anything that's not an integer, a number, a
when
negative
you're selecting
number,
the president.
yeah, it would tell you that is not a number. And then with the cell press, it repeats the program.
Okay.
So it goes back to the beginning.
So give us a test drive.
So let's go. So which president would you like to know? How
14th.
about 14?
We haven't had the 14th.
Franklin Pierce.
Franklin. So let's find out more about Franklin, because I actually know very little about Franklin.
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
He's a
Democrat.
Oh, sure. Yes.
All right. So, okay, let's pick another one.
Let's do 10.
10.
John Tyler.
John Tyler. So.
I really don't care about John Tyler.
Don't want to know anything. Okay.
Yeah. So no. So you see, it keeps on repeating, and let's do just 41.
George Bush, the senior.
Yes. So if you type quit.
So now we've learned everything we need to learn,
yeah.
And we just want to leave the program. We want to break out of your continuous loop.
Yes. So it completely ends the program.
Sweet. Goodbye,
and thanks for playing.
So just run it one quick time again and put in letters in the selection for president, just to show your awesome exception handling.
Just like smashing the keyboard, and that is not a number.
The program does not crash. Look at that, folks. Program's still up.
And then it restarts.
Captures the hem. So now we want to do one final thing, is we want to look at your game work. So Matthew, we did this in the lesson 2 of gaming with Pygame. So Matthew made some modifications just to play around with it. Basically, it's not much, but tell us about it.
What I did, I drew a rectangle and a circle. So let's run. And
that is nice.
Yeah, it's just a circle on top of a square.
So what I need you to do is make that circle small and move it around in the screen. And if you make that circle small as a ping pong, we'll almost have a game on our hands.
Almost have a game.
All right. That's it for this time. Anything else?
No, nothing
I think
else.
we'll go. This was good work. You're really paying attention.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.